In the recent times, with more and more people becoming health and weight conscious, many of them want to know what are the better healthy eating options for them. And so I've come up with today's video. With the increasing popularity of quinoa and it gaining a superfood status in the recent times, and also rice being a commonly consumed grain in the earth for a long time, many people are confused as to which one of them is better for them in terms of the nutritional value and health benefits. And to make it more confusing, rice also, there are two types of rice which are commonly consumed these days. One is white rice and the other is brown rice. So all these things basically makes it very overwhelming and confusing for the people, and they're not able to understand what should they choose and what they should include in their diet. And so today's video will give you a clear picture on that so that you no longer feel overwhelmed. And so let's get started. Welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and inner peace. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Before I begin, I would like to clarify one thing here. So many people have a misconception that quinoa is a grain just like rice. But quinoa is not a grain, but it is actually a seed. But since it is cooked and consumed in a similar manner like grains and they have a similar nutritional profile, they are also referred to as a pseudo-cereal. The benefits of quinoa is that it is a complete protein source. That is, it contains all the essential amino acids. And also they are very rich in fiber and minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese and zinc. Quinoa also has a low glycemic index which helps to keep us full for a long time even when we consume small portions of the food. And they also help to lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels in our body, which makes them a very healthy choice for us. So quinoa is surely something which you can include in your diet because of its amazing health benefits. And if you would like to know about the amazing health benefits of quinoa in detail, you can check out one of my previous videos whose link you can find in the description box below. Now, before I compare quinoa with rice, whether it is white rice or brown rice, it is very important that we first understand the difference between white rice and brown rice. So both these rice basically differ in the way they are processed for our consumption. White rice is more processed, which leads to the removal of the husk, bran and germ, which is the most nutritious part of the grain. And what is left behind is just a starchy endosperm. And that is why white rice is only containing starch and have very few essential nutrients as compared to the brown rice. So the brown rice is a little less processed than the white rice, because of which it is able to retain its bran and germ part of the grain. And that is why the nutritional value in brown rice is maintained. Brown rice also contains more vitamins and minerals than white rice. So what happens is that when the white rice is processed, manufacturers try to artificially enrich the rice with nutrients which have been lost during processing. But still, the nutritional value in white rice is found to be lesser than that found in brown rice. Brown rice also contains more amounts of fiber and antioxidants, and it is a complex carbohydrate which helps to keep us full for a long time period and helps to manage weight and cholesterol levels in our body. And according to many studies, it has also been found that consuming brown rice can reduce sugar levels in our body and decrease our risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Whereas consuming white rice can increase the risk of higher sugar levels and type 2 diabetes. And that is why brown rice is much better than white rice and is considered to be healthier than white rice. However, one drawback of brown rice is that it contains an anti-nutrient which is known as phytic acid. So phytic acid has some health benefits for our body, but it also reduces our body's ability to absorb iron and zinc from our diet. Also, the brown rice contains higher levels of a toxic chemical which is known as arsenic as compared to white rice. So arsenic is a toxic heavy metal which is naturally found in the environment and is also found in rice and rice products. And its long-term consumption can basically increase the risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So both white rice and brown rice contains this toxic chemical, but brown rice contains higher amounts of arsenic as compared to white rice. If you're someone who eats rice in moderation and as part of a varied diet, then there is no problem. But if you are someone who consumes rice in very large amounts, then both brown rice and white rice will cause issues for you because they contain arsenic, but brown rice will cause more issues as compared to the white rice. So what I can suggest is that if you want to eat rice, try to eat it in moderation, and also opt for brown rice as compared to the white rice, because white rice is devoid of any nutritional value, whereas brown rice has a lot of nutrients to offer to us. Now, if you compare quinoa with rice, quinoa is known to contain twice the amount of proteins and fiber than the same amount of white rice, making them a much better healthy choice. Also, unlike rice, quinoa does not contain arsenic or the toxic element or chemical which I had talked about previously. On the other hand, if you compare quinoa with brown rice, they contain similar amounts of fiber and micronutrients, but quinoa contains a little bit more amounts of proteins as compared to the brown rice, and they're also a complete protein source, and they also contain more nutrients and lower carbs per serving as compared to the brown rice. And the biggest benefit of quinoa is that they do not contain arsenic, which is the toxic chemical which is generally found in brown rice as well as white rice, which makes them a little bit more beneficial than your brown rice. But at the end of the day, if you are eating in moderation, both quinoa and brown rice are good and healthy options and choices that you can make in your diet. So that's it for today. I really hope you found today's video useful, and now you know the difference between white rice, brown rice and quinoa, and you know which choice you have to make and what you can include in your diet for good health. If you liked the video and you found it useful and informative, don't forget to give this video a like. And also don't forget to comment below to share your thoughts. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.